morning. This is K. Indumati, Assistant Professor, Department of Medical Physics, Dr. NGP Arts and Science College, Coimbatore. Today's lecture, we are going to discuss about the introduction to the radiation therapy, which is in the first unit of Physics of Through this video lecture, today we are discuss about what is radiation and aim of radiotherapy and types of radiation therapy and what are the different treatment techniques which is used in the radiation therapy. First of all, what is radiation therapy? Radiation therapy is a branch of science in which the ionizing radiations are used to treat the malignant tumor. In other words, it is an efficient treatment technique that consists in the delivery of precise and controlled dose of both the electromagnetic and the particle radiation to eradicate the predefined volume of abnormal cells, that is known as a tumor. Okay, the tumor is always present with the nearby normal tissues. While we are irradiating the tumor, always the normal tissues also get affected. Okay. The main aim of radiation therapy is to give the maximum and uniform dose to the tumor and minimum dose to the surrounding normal tissues. We are using large number of radiation to treat the tumor or destroys the cancer cells. Okay, mainly we are using the X-rays, gamma rays and particle radiation such as electrons, protons, neutrons, etc. The type of radiation which is used for the treatment which may vary depend upon many factors including type of cancer, size of the tumor which is located inside the body and how it is close to the normal tissues and that are very sensitive to the radiations and the persons who are get irradiated, whose age and health condition. The radiation therapy may classified into two types. First one is external beam radiation therapy, in short EBRT. Second one is internal beam radiation therapy, also termed as a brachytherapy. From the name itself, we can understand that EBRT is a treatment method in which the radiation source is kept at a distance from the patient surface. From this picture, we can see that how the radiation source is kept away from the distance. That distance is denoted as a source to skin distance, that is SSD. This distance may vary from 25 to 100 centimeters. In EBRT, we use both kilovoltage and megavoltage beams to treat the patients. Kilovoltage beams are produced by the kilovoltage therapy units. It is nothing but a X-ray generator. In olden days, we are used the kilovoltage therapy units to treat the tumor. In these machines, we use the very lower energy. It is a less than 500 kV. Mostly we are use the 300 to 500 kV energy range only. And the treatment is delivered in a very short SST. Due to the lower energy and short SST, the patients receive a higher skin dose and also a increased dose in the bone regions. Due to these reasons, we use the megavoltage beams to treat the tumor. These megavoltage beams are produced either by cobalt-60 machine or a modern linear accelerator. In cobalt-60 machine, the radiation is produced by the radioactive element called cobalt-60. Cobalt-60 emits the gamma photon having an average energy of 1.25 MeV. In cobalt-60 machine, they usually use a 80 centimeter as SSD. Modern linear accelerator is a machine in which high frequency electromagnetic waves are used to accelerate the electron to a higher energy through a linear tube. These highly accelerated electron beam itself used to treat the superficial tumor, or it may be made to strike the target and to produce the X-rays for treating the deep-seated tumor. Usually we use 100 centimeter SSD in LINAC. This is the picture of linear accelerator. It consists of treatment couch, treatment head and a gantry. During the time of treatment, the patient is used to lying on the couch. Treatment head, it consists of X-ray target, flattening filter, scattering foil and the beam collimating devices such as primary collimator, secondary collimator and jaws. The gantry is used to rotate the treatment head all around the patient during the time of treatment. There are different types of treatment delivery techniques which is used in the ABRT. They are conventional radiotherapy and 3D conformal radiotherapy, IMRT, that is intensity modulated radiotherapy, image guided radiotherapy and volumetric arc therapy. The IMRT, IGRT and VMAT are highly advanced radiotherapy techniques which is used in the ABRT. Next we move on to brachytherapy. The internal beam radiation therapy is also known as a brachytherapy. It is a method of treatment in which we use the sealed radioactive sources to deliver the radiation at a shorter distance. The sources may be placed on or near the body or within the natural cavity which is present in our body or inserted into the tumor. And this is the picture in which this is the natural cavity present in our body. In this place we are going to place the radioactive source. It is the applicator which is connected to the brachy machine via transfer cable. This is the brachy machine. Here it have a hole. So the applicator is connected through the transfer cable to this treatment head of the brachy machine. And in the treatment head, here we have a radioactive sources. So during the treatment, the radioactive source comes at the end of the treatment head and transfer via transfer cable to the applicator and come and treat the tumor. After the irradiation, the source is sent back to the treatment head with the help of motors present in the brachy machine. In brachytherapy, we use the photons, beta and neutrons to treat the tumors. The photons are produced by cobalt-60, cesium-137, iridium-192, iodine-125 or palladium-103. The photon is either it may denote gamma radiation or characteristics X-rays. The gamma radiation produced by the gamma decay and the characteristics X-rays produced through electron capture or internal conversion. The beta sources are which is used for brachy is strontium-90 and yttrium-90. The neutron source which is used for brachytherapy is CF252. Depending upon the placement of brachy sources, the brachy is classified into 6 types. First one is intracavitary, interstitial, surface plaques, intralaminar and intraoperative and finally intravascular. Intracavitary means the brachy source is placed into the body cavity. Interstitial means the sources are implanted into the tumor volume. Surface plaques means the sources are loaded into the plaques which is brought in contact with the skin surface lesions. Intraluminal means the sources are inserted into the lumen. Intraoperative means the sources brought surgically into or near the tumor volume. Intravascular means the sources are brought intravascularly into the lesion or near a lesion. From this video, we can understand what is radiotherapy and external beam radiation therapy, internal radiotherapy and types of delivery techniques for both the external beam radiation therapy and brachytherapy, and the equipments used to deliver the brachytherapy and EBRT too. Thank you.